we'll guide you through how to restore emails in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail's website. Log into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the trash label. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to click on More to expand the list of options. Click on Trash to open it. Here, you'll find emails that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Look through the list to find the email you want to restore. If you find it, click on the checkbox next to the email to select it. Now, look for the Move To icon at the top of the page, which looks like a folder with an arrow. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Inbox or any other folder where you want the email to be moved. Once you do this, your email will be restored to the location you chose. Remember, emails in the trash folder are automatically deleted after 30 days, so it's best to restore them before that time. If you can't find your email in the trash, it might be permanently deleted, and it's a good idea to check your All Mail section, just in case it was archived instead of deleted. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.